Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to stop other people from posting on your Facebook page using the latest update on PC. If you've ever wanted more control over what appears on your page, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your PC or go to Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. When the menu expands, select Settings to access your account controls. Now, on the Settings page, look for the section labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open more detailed options related to your page activity and how others interact with your content. Next, find the option that says Who can post on your page. This is the key setting that controls whether others can share posts directly on your profile or page. Click on it, and you'll see a few options. To fully prevent anyone else from posting, select Only Me. This ensures that you are the only one who can publish posts on your page. After selecting Only Me, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, your settings will be updated immediately, and that's it. From now on, no one else will be able to post on your page, giving a complete control over your content and keeping your profile clean and organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other privacy settings as well to keep your account secure and exactly the way you want it.